Sa isang abandonadong ospital, si Franco ay nag-ghost hunting para gumawa ng panibagong content. Tahimik ang paligid. Sirang mga kama, kupas na pintura at mahahabang pasilyo na parang may nagmamasid sa bawat hakbang niya.
Let me use this one. There we go. Now a minute ago, I did hear what sounded like a squeak. I thought the door opened up. The dog is outside trying to get in. Do you want me to let the dog inside? Holy shit.
Napansin mo ba?
Something just pulled the car into the other